So this little kitten is being treated for parasites and she has diarrhea. And so I am feeding her this critical care carnivore. I'm supplementing her food. She's still eating, which is good. However, I noticed she lost a little weight. She has diarrhea. So I've mixed this with Pedialyte and I also have probiotics, trying to get her little gut system returned back to health. I mix it, you can mix it at any really consistency, the thicker the better, but this ensures by me feeding her with a syringe that I know she's getting food and she's getting the calories that she needs and that she's staying hydrated. So again, I'm just supplementing her feeding with this a couple of times a day. I kept saying, oh. How's that? How is that? How is that? You're getting used to eating it. Come on. Come on. Let's get a little bit more in you. Oh, that's good. That's good, baby. I'll drop some. Keep you hydrated and healthy.